Mama loves you, that's forever. When you're down, I'll make it better. I can't imagine my life without you. I'm your angel and you're mine too. Mama loves you more than flowers. You have my gifts and all my hours. From this day I'll never be far away, and I'm proud of you. So remember, Mama loves you.